Have you heard about the amazing kindergarten home kits sent to every kindergarten student in the Granite School District? These kits are a game changer for parents wanting to support their child's learning at home. Schools across the district hosted special kindergarten events where parents and children came together to learn how to use the kits and play the games. These events gave parents hands-on experience, helping them build confidence in supporting their child's learning at home. Each kit includes alphabet and number cards, game boards, and all the supplies needed for fun, educational games. Parents are now empowered to teach their kids letters, sounds, and numbers through play. Many have said, "I didn't know how to help my child until now." And the results? Amazing! Teachers are already seeing huge progress in the classroom. Let's hear from a Granite School District parent and teacher about their experience with the kindergarten home kits.
This is sun. This is rose.
Me siento muy feliz por los materiales que recibo, son de gran ayuda para mí inclusive, entonces con esto voy educando a mis niños en casa. Formamos palabras, realizamos juegos, hacemos retos y también le involucramos a mi esposo. Bueno, yo les recomendaría a los padres que utilicen estos materiales que nos han dado con sus niños, como jugando, y les va a ayudar muchísimo utilizar las letras, los números y formar palabras, escribirlos para que ellos puedan tener la fluidez de las letras en español, en inglés.
And for parents, we invited them in the first week of school. They came in at the end of the school day for like the last hour, and we gave the literacy kit that the district handed out to all the kindergarten classes in the district. And we went through and we showed the parents how to play both the literacy and the math games. There was both. And we basically said, okay, this is how we're going to practice our letters and our sounds. Our goal is to every kindergartner to know their letters and sounds by November 1st. And we're going to do our very best to meet that goal. And then we'll reconvene after November 1st with new discussions. And so we sent the kit home, and right away we could see a huge difference. The parents totally had a buy-in. That this is a team effort. We're here to help you, and we would love your help as well. That it doesn't have to be an hour every night just drilling the kids on the alphabet and their sounds and things like that. Just like play a game with them, make it last 2, 3, 4 minutes, boom, done. And that together we're going to work together and we're going to track their progress. We're going to celebrate their progress, and we're going to make the goal of getting them where they need to be by the end of kindergarten.
Don't forget to scan the QR code in your kit for fun, easy-to-follow videos showing you how to play the games. Keep an eye out for the mid-year kit for both kindergarten and first grade. Thanks to the generosity of the Tony Finau Foundation, the incredible efforts of the West Jordan Park Stakes Young Women, and Canyon Rim Cares, over 4,000 kits were created and delivered. Together, we're making learning fun and exciting.